In this video, I want to show you how you can set a stop loss on eToro. Now this is actually pretty simple, guys. What you want to do is you want to open up your portfolio and find whatever you want to put a stop loss on. So in my case, I'll just choose Apple. Simply click on your asset that you have under your portfolio, and inside of here you will be able to create a stop loss. So SL is stop loss and TP is take profit. Simply click on stop loss, and at the stop loss, what you want to do is you want to click and you can select what you want your stop loss to be. Now if you don't want a stop loss, just click here, and if you want the stop loss, you want to select where you want the stop loss at, and then simply press set. You can do the take profit as well here, and that is how it's done, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.